Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing your floors on your hands and knees, only to be left with stubborn messes that just won't budge? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to sparkling clean floors with the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert. This innovative spin mop is designed to tackle tough messes with ease, leaving your hard floors looking and feeling refreshed. Let's dive into why this cordless wonder is a game changer for anyone seeking a convenient, effective way to clean their floors. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours to start cleaning your home like a pro. Every purchase makes a difference. Not only does the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert keep your floors clean, but it also helps save homeless pets. Bissell proudly supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. So every time you purchase a Bissell product, you're not just investing in quality cleaning equipment, you're also contributing to a cause that's close to our hearts. Cordless freedom for effortless cleaning. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility with the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert. Powered by an 18V lithium-ion battery, this cordless spin mop provides up to 20 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean your hard floors throughout your home without the hassle of a cord. Enjoy the freedom to move from room to room without being tethered to an outlet, making cleaning a breeze. Powerful spinning mop pads for superior cleaning. Experience the cleaning power of rotating mop pads that do the work for you. The Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert features powerful spinning mop pads that restore your floor's natural shine, even on tough, sticky messes. Whether you have wood, tile, linoleum, or other sealed hard floors, this spin mop is tough on messes yet gentle on surfaces, leaving them clean and refreshed. Safe and effective cleaning. Rest assured that your floors are in good hands with the Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert. Engineered to be safe on sealed hard floors, this spin mop powers through tough messes without damaging or scratching your floors. With on-demand spray control, you can easily control how much solution goes on the floor while cleaning, ensuring a thorough yet gentle clean every time. Complete cleaning solution. The Bissell Spinwave Cordless Hard Floor Expert comes with everything you need to tackle even the toughest messes. With 4 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, trial-size hard floor sanitize formula, and 2 trial-size wood floor formulas included, you'll have all the tools and cleaning solution you need to achieve sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.